Hi guys, have you ever wondered why some chicken nuggets crunch louder than others? Let's make the crispiest one. Let's dig into the recipe. Take some ground chicken and put some boiled potatoes into it. Bring them together. Add some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt as per your taste, and mix the whole thing well. Crack one egg and mix this batter properly. After combining this batter, add some all-purpose flour and rice flour to it. Again mix it and shape it into nuggets. After that, put it in the freezer for like 10 to 15 minutes and cover them in breadcrumbs before we deep fry them. This layer of breadcrumbs gives it the best crunch ever and an amazing different taste to the chicken nuggets. Do try and let me know in the comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy.